Hello students, welcome to our today's class, and today we are going to solve some numericals in our chapter number 6, that is refraction of light. Okay, so let's see what is the first question. So the first question says, if the speed of light in a medium is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, what is the absolute refractive index of the medium? Okay, so let's understand the first, what is a diagram over here. So here you can see a ray of light in a first medium. Okay, so a ray of light is incident on the first medium and it gets refracted in the second medium. Let's take a first medium as air and vacuum, and let's take a second medium, that is glass and water. And you all know that the speed of light in air is equal to how much? That is 3.8 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, so what is given in the whole question? Let's take this VA, that is speed of light in air, is equal to, that is air in medium 1 is equal to V1 is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, and V2 is given over here, that is what? 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And what we have to find out? We have to find out absolute refractive index. Okay, that is, what is the symbol for refractive index? That is N. Okay, so we have to find out absolute refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Okay, so let's come towards the solution part, that is absolute refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 is equal to what? V1 upon V2, that is velocity of light in medium 1 divided by velocity of light in medium 2. So we are simply going to put the values which we have taken over here in the formula, that is V1 is equal to what? 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, yes, and V2 is equal to what? 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Here you can see meter per second and meter per second will get cancelled. So what we will get over here, that is 2. Okay, so what is the answer for this question? Absolute refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 is equal to what? 2. It is equal to 2. So this is the whole question. This is the answer of whole question. I hope you understand. Okay, so this is your first question. Now we are going to see next question, that is, if the absolute refractive indices of glass and water are 3/2 and 4/3 respectively, what is the refractive index of glass with respect to water? Okay, so what is given over here? Refractive indices of glass is how much? 3/2. So we are going to write refractive index, that is N. Okay, so here N, refractive index of glass is equal to 3/2. Okay, here 3/2. And the refractive index of water is equal to how much? 4/3. Okay, so what we have to find out? We have to find out the refractive index of glass with respect to water. So refractive index of glass with respect to water, so that we are going to write N with respect to N of glass with respect to water is equal to how much? So we are going to solve this. Is very simple question. So we are going to solve this question, that is the refractive index of glass with respect to water is equal to refractive index of glass divided by refractive index of water. So if we substitute the values over here, okay, here glass 3/2 and water is 4/2, 4/3. So here if we substitute these values, student, let's see how the division will take place. So here this is the one algebraic expression, that is A by B divided by C by D is equal to A by B into this whole term. Here you can see this whole term gets exchanged and D will come over here and C will goes at the at the in downward direction. So here A by B into, we are going to exchange this term like D upon C is equal to what? AD upon BC. So same thing we are going to apply over here. So here what we will get, 3 upon 2 divided by 4 by 3 is equal to 3 by 2 into this term you have to exchange. Then what we will get? 3 upon 4 according to this formula. So now we are going to simply multiply these terms. Okay, just like this. So what we will get? 3 into 3, 9 upon 2 into 4 is equal to how much? 8. Yes. So the refractive index of glass with respect to water is equal to how much? 9 upon 8. Okay. So this is the answer of this whole question. Now here is a one homework question which I have given. The absolute refractive index of water is 1.36. What is the velocity of light in air? This is a very simple question. Velocity of light in vacuum is given as 3 into 10 raised to 8. Just we have solved this question just like that. Put the formula and put the correct and solve the correct answer. Okay, take a screenshot of this. Okay, so this is our sums of the chapter number 6. Thank you.